AUD USD, we start with the daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, there is no more changes. We are still within this move, and the only things we have it, we are within this correction. Okay, anyway, if there is no changes, we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on forward chart, as we can see, uh, if we refer back to my last video, when the price broke this low, we mentioned that we are more interested in the buy. The only things we explained that we are looking for the correction to get within here. Any buy setup we look for, and this is what we get it. And it's better for me to move to lower, 1 hour chart. Okay, again, if you refer back to my last video, when the price broke this low and was here, we mentioned we are more interested in the buy. The only thing is we get the, I highlight similar to what I draw here, we get the correction before we look for buy. We need to, I mentioned that we need to, when the price was here, we need to see what we get before we look for buy. And this is the buy we had it exactly today. Okay, that's mean the traders, when they see this move, this correction, they should be in the buy. And now we see, okay, what I want to say is that we had the one buy here, we had the buy from this correction, and now we had the another one. That means if we get the second buy also, we look for buy. And what we expecting, we want to see if this one can reverse to this top or not. That's why we're looking for buy, we're looking for this. Okay, and what I want to say that, is there a possibility that this one can drop a bit more or even come and test this low? Yes. That means for those traders that are in this buy, they're supposed to know how to manage it if there is the price drop. And for here, even if we want to look for buy, we need to get the buy set up before we take the trade. Okay, that means right now we don't have any trade set up, even having entry above this, because of this sharp move. I don't suggest it, whether it depends on the traders whether they want to have entry above this or here. It depends on them. May I move to lower time frame? Okay, what I want to say that, let the price drop one more, at least one more, before we take the trade. Okay, how about if the price sharply move from here? It depends on the traders. They can have entry above this, but what we expect the price sharply move. That's why I say, because of this, having entry above this, we are not sure. It depends on the traders, what we get and how they can manage it. For me, I suggest let the price drop one more, we get the bigger correction before we take the trade. Okay, anyway, if I move to 15-minute, 1 hour chart, now the only thing is we have this trade. The traders supposed to know how to manage it. We're looking for the another trade. It depends how we can get the buy setup from this correction. And what we expect, we want the price at least to come to this high. And beside that, is there a possibility this one can drop similar to what I'm drawing here and come to this trend line, or at least break this low? Yes. And also, that means we can expect this one to get one move down. Okay, we are not looking for this sell. The only things I highlight about this is, if we're looking for buy, we need to get the buy setup from here. And for those traders, if they see the price dropping a bit more, at least they book some profit. Anyway, we don't have much more information. The only thing is we need to wait for this and see how we can trade it. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes, update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.